Hey everyone! In today's tutorial I'll show you how to install the Twitch app on your Mac using a simple and effective new method. It only takes a minute, so let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock or by using Spotlight Search. To open Spotlight, press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to twitch.tv. Now, look at the top of your screen and click on File in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up allowing you to rename the shortcut if you want. I'll leave it as Twitch and click Add. You'll now see the Twitch icon in your dock, and here's where the magic happens. When you click that dock icon, Twitch opens in a separate app-like window, fully independent from Safari. Even if you close Safari completely, Twitch will stay open and continue running just like a standalone app. Let's test it. I'll quit Safari right now. And as you can see, Twitch is still running perfectly. If you're using an older version of macOS and you don't see the Add to Dock option in Safari, don't worry. I've included a link in the video description with an alternative method you can follow to get the Twitch app on your Mac. And that's it. You now have Twitch installed as a standalone app on your Mac. Super easy and super useful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.